Hi everyone, here's I have few pictures with my ceiling which didn't have any thermal insulation before.
Okay guys, hello. This is my renting house and Mr. Russell, he very great handyman. He did very great insulation for this house and I will show you the result of his work. Russell, can you say any words? What kind of job you're doing here?
Here we are fixing the insulation. You know, uh, actually this building doesn't have any insulation, so we are adding insulation. But you know that I do general construction, and this is a part of job too. Yeah.
Okay guys, if you need any handyman and or construction works for your house or somewhere, I recommend this guy Russell for you. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.
That video was during of installation thermal insulation, and as you can see the surface is cold where we have insulation already, and here's no insulation at all. As a result, ceiling's temperature decreased, and right now we can live in our home very well. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.